Going to Minnesota.
Train station.
Who's he going to pick up there?
My dad again to go to Mississippi.
Okay.
Alabama again. He has a class in Alabama.
Who's he going to go see in Alabama?
He's going to see all his friends there.
Okay.
And all his friends went on the train, and they're driving, and he hopped in a taxi, and they're driving to his school, so the train had to go there super fast.
Okay.
It's making it all the way across. From Mississippi, up the Railroad Bridge, down to Mississippi, and to Alabama, from the taxi, he went off the train, and he drives into his school, past the train track, and here's the school. And he went past already.
All right.
Now the train's going back to
Who else lives in Alabama?
all his friends.
Yeah? Is that where Jane and Gary are?
Yeah, and then they're going back to pick him up. This is third class, and they're up already. Then he has a class in Mississippi. And his friends are driving to Mississippi. Oh, quick, get yours.
Oh no, the train crashed.
Uh-oh, it's all gas.
Anybody get hurt?
Nope. Now it's hurt, and here it is. 1 minute, I need to use the pot. Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay.
And here we are back again at the train set. Where are we? Oh, Minnesota got bigger, didn't it?
Yes. And he's picking up my mom. My mom has to go to work in Mississippi first, and then Alabama, and then she's coming back home. And she leaves her car at the airport, the train port, and she's driving to get to work super fast on the train. Walks in the wrong direction, and there's an end stop, so we need to put more track.
Oh, okay. Well, do we have any more track we can put there? I think we're just about out of track, aren't we?
Whoops. We're out of track already.
Yeah.
So
You'll have to back up.
that's an end stop. So she has to go to work in Alabama. Oh, there's a track fix.
Oh, I think you lost a car.
Whoops. And here she is in Alabama, and the taxi's driving her to work. And here she is. And the taxi drives her back to the train, and then she drives it back to Minnesota train, and she's back in the old, and then she's driving home, and here she is.
And there you are.
Can I see it?
Oh, you want to see it?
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, now, where are we going to go this time?
We're changing names.
Okay.
This is Wisconsin, way too far away, and this is, wait a minute, here, let me think. New Hampshire.
Oh, okay. New Hampshire.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And what's the other place going to be?
Oh, the other place?
Yeah, right there. We got.
Oh, Minnesota.
Okay. All right. Minnesota, Wisconsin, and New Hampshire.
Yeah.
Okay. How about New York? Because if it was New York, then we could go see Amelia.
Oh, New York's going to be right here.
Okay. So that'll be New York.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go see Kira and Amelia.
First, we're going to Wisconsin, so we have to go past it.
Okay, should we go to Wisconsin and pick Mima up?
Yes.
And then you could take Mima to New York.
No, I'm going to take them to there.
To New Hampshire?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
She leaves her car here. Everyone's car is here. Yeah. Okay. All right, need to warm up. Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
Ready.
Toot toot, toot toot.
Driving to Wisconsin, then she's going there, not too far away. Then she's going there, way too far away. So this is the Wisconsin train first, and then going to be New York train, and then the New Hampshire train. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Well, let's...
So she's driving to west, then she's going east, then west, then south, then east again. So the train's going west. Now she's going south, and here she is, and she's driving to the farm. It's way far away. And here it is.
Way over there. Wow.
And then the taxi drives back, and then she drives into New York. And then she drives over the main bridge. They went on, and then she went down to see Kira, baby, Amelia. And then she drives it back to the train. We started to move, but she was too late. So it has to wait for another train to come. But the tracks are closed. He closed them up and opened up the bridge.
So the train had to stop?
Yeah, but he couldn't. The train just falls off the track, and the train fell off the track. So it broke. Nobody's hurt. Oops, there's Millie, and there's only one more place. There's one over there. And Colorado.
Did anybody get hurt in the train accident?
Nope. And it wanted to go under the tunnel this time. That means that's way we're closer. It couldn't get up the main bridge, but now it did it. So nobody's hurting. Nobody's hurt. Now baby Amira and Kira are going to Minnesota. That means that's where they live now. All the stuffs are in boxes.
And Kira and Amelia are moving to Minnesota? Is that what you said?
Yeah, and there was an end stop.
Oh yeah.
So the train's out of gas.
Uh-oh.
So they had to walk across the track very quickly, but no trains are going. So he went back to Minnesota, and the Kira did all the boxes. There's one more. Then I was in the train, and I brought it back to Minnesota. And that's the end.
Okay, the end. Can you say goodnight to everybody?
Night. I want to see it.
Okay, say goodnight to Amelia.
Good night, Amelia.
Oh, say it into the camera. Say it into the camera. Say goodnight, Amelia.
Good night, Amelia.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.